Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use zoom on your HP 255. So to zoom in on your laptop screen, you're gonna have to press Windows key and equals key simultaneously. This will open the magnifier toolbar on your screen, and on this toolbar you can use minus and plus icons to increase or decrease the zoom level. You can also use the following two icons to reset the previously used zoom level. You can click the play icon to start reading from the screen. You can use this icon to start reading from the selected space of your screen, and if you click the gear icon, you'll be able to adjust the reading speed and reading voice, and also change some other the zoom increment. To see more settings, you can either open all settings right here, or you can go to them straight from this from the desktop. To do so, you're gonna have to click Start, then go to Settings, then go to Accessibility on the sidebar, then find Magnifier and open Magnifier Settings. And here you can select one of the three available views for your magnifier by expanding this list and selecting one of them. As you can see, we have docked magnifier that looks like this, the full screen magnifier, which you have already seen, and the lens magnifier, which looks like this. To adjust each of the magnifier settings, you have to click on the view menu itself, select the lens magnifier in the top right corner, not the lens magnifier but any magnifier in the top right corner, and adjust the magnifier settings like following settings for docked magnifier, so we can select which what we want our magnifier to follow. For full screen magnifier, we also have additional settings of keeping the mouse pointer and the text cursor either within the edges on the screen or centered on the screen, which we can change by expanding this list and changing the value. And for lens magnifier, we can change the height and the width of the magnifier, having a preview right here in front of us. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.